I can't believe this place isn't on every traveler's bucket list. Welcome to Zanzibar, where turquoise waters meet vibrant culture and untouched beauty. Known for its world-famous beaches, Zanzibar is so much more than just a tropical paradise. Imagine stepping onto sand that feels like powdered sugar, while the ocean glistens under the African sun. Now, let's unveil the hidden side of this gem. First, wander through Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that feels like stepping back in time. Lose yourself in the maze of streets filled with carved wooden doors, bustling bazaars, and the mouth-watering aroma of Zanzibar's signature spices. Speaking of spices, why not take a spice tour? Ginger, cloves, vanilla, it's like walking through a living cookbook. Now here's a hack. Everyone flocks to Nungwi Beach, but check out Jambiani for that serene, postcard-perfect vibe minus the crowds. The turquoise waters? Dreamy. The vibe? Pure relaxation. Snorkel in the coral reefs or meet fishermen sailing on traditional wooden dhow boats. Moments like these make travel magic. The best season to visit? Between June and October, when the weather is perfect. Oh, and don't miss the sunset at Kendwa Beach. It's like the sky decided to applaud the end of the day. Zanzibar is Black and LGBTQ+ friendly, offering a warm, welcoming experience for everyone. These lesser-explored sides of Zanzibar enrich every journey to this enchanting destination. So, pack your bags, spice up your adventures, and let Zanzibar captivate you. Subscribe to Destination Travel for more irresistible escapes. Adventure awaits. Let's go.